Hi, this is Mr. Greco, and I'm going to go over the areas of parallelograms and triangles. So we're going to kind of look at the formulas, and then we are going to talk about uh, how to implement that on the next slide. So you'll be having this slide too, so you'll follow along. So the base is any side of a parallelogram or triangle. So the base, usually we do the base as the bottom. So that's B, B, B. So we're going to be focusing primarily on area today. And then the height is the length of an altitude. The height of a segment must be, and I'm going to draw this very poorly, so I'm just letting you know that, must be, I'm just going to draw this symbol and this symbol over here equals perpendicular, right? I'm just going to put perp. Gosh, all should know what perpendicular means, right? So it must be a right angle. So again, I'm trying to do this, and it's a little awkward to draw like this, but it's almost as good as my regular writing. All right, so again, perpendicular means this. So it has to be perpendicular. So if you notice right here, the height, it goes from the base, it goes straight up to the top of the triangle, and here it's the base, it goes straight up and makes a right angle. So that's it. So the area of parallelograms is pretty simple. It's the base times the height, right? And for triangles, it's actually 1/2 the base times the height. So that's the two formulas, and we're going to go on to the next page. So we're going to skip the perpendicular for now, and we're just going to focus on the area. So find the area of a parallelogram with a base of height and a base of 6 and a height of 7. So the area of a parallelogram equals base times height. So area equals the base equals 6 and the height equals 7. And then the area equals 42. Just multiply those two together. And again, sorry about the horrible, horrible handwriting. You guys are used to it, but it's even worse than normal. Let's find the base of a triangle with a base of 6 square root of 2 and the height of 5. Don't get worried about the square root of 2 equals 1/2. And you guys have this on your reference sheet. Base times the height. So that equals area equals, the 1/2 doesn't change, right? So it's still the same, 1/2. And then the base is 6 root 2. And the height's 5. So when you do 6, you just multiply the numbers together. So that becomes 1/2 times 6 root 2, 5. So you do 6 times 5 is 30, right? 1/2. And then 30 root 2, because you're multiplying the numbers on the outside. And then you multiply 1/2 by 30 by multiplying the numerator. 1 times 30 is 30. By 2 is 15, so it's 15 root 2. So you just keep the root 2 there and you multiply all the numbers on the outside. All right, so that's the answer here is 15 root 2. And the answer to here, and we put, it doesn't give what the measurement is, and here it's 42 centimeters. Here, the area is, again, this is the height. This is the height. So it's area equals base times height. So it's area equals 12 times 8. And I'm going to continue this video because we're running out of time, and we'll finish it off in the second video. All right. So I'll go to the second video now. All right.